All right, we're back. Right on the dot, 10 o'clock. Woohoo! We're good. I assume we're good with payments. Wax one. Give me the green light to go ahead with break 684. 684. Wax 2 to wax 1. Good to go. Don't forget to change the break number. Paint the break number. Number do we say this was? 84. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time for break 684 eBay break. Real quick eBay disclosure, no purchase or payment is necessary. Please check out the rules and regulations within our listing on eBay. All right, for regarding the sweepstakes. That was about as good as it gets. Okay, let's rock and roll. This is, you already know what teams you got because you bought them. It's PYT, 2 boxes. Last 2 boxes were basically a Sparks box. NBH is ready. I know NPH, Neil Patrick Harris. 4-6. 2-4-6. Let's see if we can get that color blast finally. I've yet to hit one. Come on, color blast for NBH. What teams you got, NBH? What do you have, sir? You ready, buddy? You need any more soft sleeves or top loader ring? Yeah. Get yourself another little pack. Make sure they're not the thick ones for big cards. 4 card regular. Okay, good. You have stars looking for Hammond Auto. Okay, Dream, Commons, Detroit, Orlando, and Sack. All right, I love it. I love the specificity. Let's get that Hammond Auto. I assume you checked the Pro Howard. What's up, Pro? Oh, is it? Are you the? Did you buy into the random team and this one, Pro? Because wasn't his name like Procopio? I think that's Procopio. And you see it, Pro Howard, what's up? Anyway, this is eBay break 684. Let's rock and roll. Make it happen, Captain. Ready?
Yep.
Damn, bro. Taylor Soule, rookie. Mike Sell, rookie. There's a blue wave of Kelsey Plum. Here's a blue Prizm of Milich. Out of 175, 14 of 175 for the Lynx. Minnesota's on the board. All right. A rookie of Grace Berger, Indiana Fever. And, ooh, my favorite player, Elena Deladane. Auto for the Mystics, Washington Mystics, Elena Deladane. There you go. My favorite player. Marine Johannes for the Liberty, Silver Prism. Ruthie Bolton, Red Wave for the Monarchs. Dulcie, rookie. Please like, follow, subscribe, guys. If you're new to the channel, we'd appreciate it. Diamond Miller, rookie. I think we're opening one more box of WNBA. I'm not even sure. Wanted Mystics, nice pull. Oh yeah, that's also you said you wanted them. I got it. We got Cheyenne Parker, Hyper Prism for the Atlanta Dream. And we do have a rookie with the teal, Lee Meng for the Washington Mystics again. Mystics are eating now, 2 of 49. Ooh, one off her jersey number, or is her number 3 or 2? Damn, I can't tell.
8.
It's not 8.
Let me see.
The hell are you talking about?
Let me
Making
see.
shit up. Li Meng. Gotta be top loaded anyway, so.
Oh, yeah, it's a 3.
That's a 3?
Yeah.
Thought it was a 2 or a 3, but.
How do you see?
Ashley Jones, rookie for the Aces. Don't argue with me, I'm older. Zia Cook, Silver Prism rookie for the Sparks. And we have Sue Bird, orange. Orange Bird for the Seattle Storm. 65 at 99. Orange Bird. Orange Prism, that is. You could just up above the out. Main jerseys 3. Okay, so not quite the jersey hit. Thank you. Appreciate it. Robin Sparks, Sky, rookie. Why am I here? Rookie. Maddie Segrist, rookie. Silver Prism of Nakisha Sales for the Sun. And here's a red wave of Lindsey Allen for the Lynx. Tia Stokes, Silver Prism for the Aces. Red wave, red prism of Jasmine Thomas for the Sparks out of 199. 115 of 199. Just 100 off her jersey number. All right. How about a Isabel Harrison for the Chicago Sky Blue Prism out of 175. 27 of 175. Cards get stuck together sometimes. I'm trying not to miss any. Kone rookie, a Horston rookie, and Ruthie Bolton for the Monarchs. All right. Silver Prism for the Sacramento Monarchs. I believe my man NBH has got Sacramento. Ruthie Bolton, Silver Prism Auto. There you go, NBH. Tori Walker Kimbrough, Silver Prism. Red Wave of Ogwumike for the Sparks. Rookie of Dulcie. All right. We got a Stephanie Suarez rookie. Jade Melbourne rookie. Silver Prism of Elena Deladane. And Alyssa Thomas, purple for the Connecticut Sun. That's out of 149, 106 to 149. All right. Another orange looks like. Silver Prism of Jackie Young for the Aces. And a Kayla McBride for the Minnesota Lynx. 98 of 99. Orange Prism. Very nice. That. Okay. Rookie of Sissoko. Abby Myers for the Mystics. We have a Lauren Jackson Silver Prism for the Storm. Oh, there you go. We have some Origins coming up. Tyasho Harris for the Sun. That's Red Wave. Haley Jones rookie. Silver Prism of Hanzu for the Liberty. A red Prism of Kayla Thornton for the Liberty out of 199. That's 112 of 199. Aliyah Boston rookie. And a blue wave of Monique Billings for the Dream. All right. That was not a bad first box, but keep it going. All right, box 2. Two, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. I don't know if it did. Wax 1. Are we got an answer for Mr. NBH? I can't believe it's going to be like 70 degrees tomorrow here in Chicago. It's insane. Yes, it's available on Panini site under the Release tab and search from drop-down menu. Really wish I would at least get one color blast. I think we only have 2 boxes left of this stuff. And then we gotta move on to Origins, unless we ordered more and I can't remember. Okie dokie. Here we go. We got Leia Brown rookie. We got Doikic rookie. Got a silver Prizm rookie of Taylor Soule for the Sky. We have a teal of Tiffany Hayes for the Connecticut Sun. That's going to be out of 49, I believe. Yep, 12 out of 49. Kone rookie. Horston rookie. Silver Prizm of Nalissa Smith. Red Wave of Asia Durr. Rookie of Stephanie Suarez for the Wings. Jade Melbourne for the Storm rookie. Asia Wilson. World champion Asia Wilson. Hyper Prizm. A Courtney Vandersloot purple for the Liberty. That's 80 out of 149. Purple Prizm. Got a blue wave of Dejanay Carrington for the Sun. And a blue Prizm of Azura Stevens for the Sparks. And that's going to be out of 175. 24 out of 175. One off her jersey number. Okay, we got Lulu. Katie Smith is the other auto. Katie Smith for the Lynx. Is that Minnesota? Yeah, Minnesota Lynx. Katie Smith. Color. Rainbow. Yeah, it's not that hard, bro. Not that deep. Silver Prizm of CCD. Red Wave of Natasha Cloud. Rookie of Dulcie. Robin Parks rookie. B. Mang rookie. Hyper Prizm of Brittany Sykes for the Mystics. Red Marina Mabry for the Sky. 54 of 199. Taylor Soule, rookie. Mike Sell, rookie. Silver Prizm of Becky Hammond. There's that Becky Hammond. I wish it was an auto, though. A blue Carrington out of 175. That's 9 out of 175. Grace Berger, rookie. Silver Prism of Stephanie Dolson for the Liberty. Red Wave of Natisha Heidemann for the Sun. Diamond Miller rookie. Hyper Prism of Tiffany Mitchell. And a purple Abby Myers rookie. Very nice for the Mystics. That's going to be 67 of 149. Nice purple rookie prism. Ashley Jones rookie. A Blue Wave rookie of Robin Sparks for the Chicago Sky. And a red prism of Mercedes Russell for the Seattle Storm out of 199. That's 157 out of 199. Final little Stacola here. Am I Here rookie. Seagrass rookie. And, ooh, Stewie auto. That's a nice one. That's a nice Silver Prism Stewie auto. Congrats, Liberty. Nice Liberty auto. Silver Prism Christy Wallace. Red Wave of Shakira Austin. Hyper Prism of Natisha Heidemann for the Sun. And a nice Candace Parker for the Aces. Orange out of 99. 52 of 99. All right, and that would be it. We're going to do a little recap for you. Give me a second here. All right, recap time. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. All right, who's ready for recap time?
Me.
You are? Okay. We did get a nice Silver Prism rookie of Taylor Soule. We got a nice Zia Cook Silver Prism rookie for that's for Sparks. The other one was Sky. Robin Parks, that's a Blue Wave rookie. And these are not numbered, but it's a nice Blue Wave rookie for the Sky. This is a nice Tiffany Hayes. Got to be numbered to 49, 12 of 49. Teal for Connecticut Sun. Another Lee Ming rookie to 49 for the Mystics. This is out of 99 orange, Candace Parker. Kayla McBride out of 99 for the Lynx. Sue Bird orange out of 99 for the Storm. These will be out of 149. Purples. Abby Myers rookie. Courtney Vandersloot for the Liberty. Alyssa Thomas for the Sun. These will be out of 175. Blue Carrington. Blue Stevens for Sparks. Blue Harrison for the Sky. Blue Milich for the Lynx. And out of 199, we have a Mercedes Russell red for the Storm. Mayberry red for the Sky. Thornton red for the Liberty. Jasmine Thomas red for the Sparks. And our autos were awesome. We had a Elena de la Dane, my favorite, for the Mystics. We had a one for the Lynx, which is Katie Smith. At least this one was all different teams. A Silver Prism of Ruthie Bolton for the Monarchs. And a Silver Prism of Stewie for Liberty. All right there. Thank you guys and gals so much for joining us for break 684. Give me a few minutes. I'll be back with 685.